And shout out, especially Relative Adventure, Ate Mars, and Friends Everlap, thank you so much. And also, tambayan ni Black Mamba ako. O Ate Mitch, and also Ma'am NG Bona, and Sir Romeo and Grace, Migalab shoutout also. And also for Nov Abatayo, thank you so much, Nov. And also Nova and Turkiya and Milaha, thank you so much. And Abdullah also, thank you so much, Abdullah. You are always here in my live stream. And also Marlon Mera TV, Moises Manalo, Ma'am Leia, Marlon Mera TV, and also Kilabot Vlog, and also Adi Sir J. Langga, thank you so much, Langga, for your gift for me before. Maagang pamasko mo sa akin. And also the new friend from Korean, Kiki Hi, Migalab shoutout Kiki Hi, and thank you so much sa pakulay for me. And Kinikinho, thank you so much. At saka yun lang guys, and God bless everyone, and I love you all guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is my yan ang aking kendenga bouquet. Simple lang siya guys, pero rock, no? Simple pero rock. Okay, bye-bye.